Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a blur background or bokeh effect into your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and we have this clip right here. And as you can observe from our clip right here, it's only slightly moving, not moving so much, which is ideal for us so that we can track the movements easily and we can blur the background easily. So to blur our background, we simply need to go into our effects panel right there and type in Gaussian. So Gaussian, you want to type this and then you can see the Gaussian blur right here, and you want to drag it into your clip. And then from here, you want to go into effects control, and then you can see the Gaussian blur right here, and then you want to set the blurriness. So maybe we want it to be 30. If you want it to be this blurry, or maybe this blurry right here, but in my case, I only want it by 30. And after that, you want to expand the blurriness right here, or you can just go here and slide the bar right here if you'd want to, so that you can scale it better. And I'm just gonna set this around 30 right there, right there. And after that, since as you can see, the whole video is blurred, so to leave the subject, then you can go here and free draw Bezier. You can click on this one, this icon right here, and we're gonna map out our subject right here. So we're gonna go and do this, or you can also zoom in so that you can do it more accurately, just like this. But you don't need to be really accurate because we will be feathering this, so it would be smooth. It won't have any rough edges. So let's just try again and then do this right here. And this is how I like to do it. Right there. Oops, I move it. Let's do it again. Don't play it right there, or you could just move your playhead at the beginning, right there. And then I want to go and do this first right there. And yeah. And now I want to go here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to blur it right there. You don't need to be really precise, and this won't take a long time to do. And after that, you just want to do it like this. And yeah. But if you want to have a cleaner blur in your background, then you can do it more accurately than this. But for the sake of tutorial, I'm just doing it this way, which is very rough. And I'm doing it like this one right here. So yeah, depends on the quality that you want. You can do it more cleaner, just like that. And when you take some time to do this, but since this is a tutorial, I'm gonna do it as quickly as I can so that I can save your time. And just like that, and I want to connect the last end, and just like that right there. And now I want to go and zoom back out, and right there. And I'm gonna go and invert right here, click on invert, so that the subject won't be blurred, but the background instead. And then you can adjust now your blurriness. If you want to adjust it, then you can make it as blurry as you want right there. As you can see right there, it's at max. But let's add a text right here so that you can see how blurry it is. Or maybe not, because there is only one clip. Never mind. So from here, what you want to do is, obviously, it's only for one frame. In the other frames, the subject would move. And as you can see, the edge, just like that, is blurred and it's not as good as anymore. So what we're going to do so that we don't have to mask out every frame is we're going to click here on the tracking method, and then I'm going to go for just position right here because it's not scaling, but for the sake of it, I'm just going to go with position. And after that, I want to go and track it right here, auto track it, just like that. And now it's tracking, so the AI would do the job for you. It will be the one to mask it out, and all we have to do now is wait. And now, as you can see, it's almost done, and now it's done. And when we play it back, as you can see, all the other frames has now been masked out just like that. And as you can see, the mask is following the person already. Right here, you can see the path, and we have the keyframes right here. As you can see in the path right here, it's now following the person, and it has been accurately cut just like that. So that is why I said earlier in the video that it would be much better if your subject is improving so much so that the AI could easily detect your subject. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.